Look at these beauties. Haha. Cannot believe I'll finally eat. It's unreal how good this looks. Okay, maybe I took too many. 5. They're pretty big. And this really nice sauce. I heard it's a bit spicy. Let's find out. Hi there. In today's video I'm going to the Minor part of Tashkent. I cannot wait to visit Minor Mosque. I heard many things about it. It's really beautiful. It's a rather new mosque in Uzbek capital, but already of big importance. So yeah, let's go there. But first, it's lunchtime. So I'm going to check Minor Somsa for, you guessed it, the best Somsa in Uzbekistan. Or so they say. Oh, some meats. I'm surprised to see it's not a huge queue. I was expecting dozens of hungry Uzbeks waiting here for their somsas. But apparently they are sold out, so we need to wait a little, or a little longer. I didn't get to enter the kitchen and film how they prepare the somsas in these tandoori ovens, but I sneakily filmed a bit from the outside, so here, at least you can see some stuff. So basically you put the wall somsas here on the inside walls of the oven, bake them for a while, and yeah, then take them out. Seems to be an easy process, yet something very new for someone coming from a totally different culture. Actually, because of my friends from Pure Culture, who agreed to let me borrow a few seconds from their video, link in the description by the way, we have some kitchen shots as well. It's not actually the kitchen from Minor Somsa, this place where I am right now, but yeah, you get an idea about how these somsas, very delicious somsas, are being prepared. So okay, let's watch a little bit. You have this mixture of meat, spices and other stuff, I don't know exactly. And you place this mixture carefully inside this piece of dough. Then they measure them and they weigh them to make sure that every piece of somsa is going to be more or less the same in size. Now the fun part. Look at this tandoori oven in flames. And this guy comes with a tray full of somsas. And then they stick to the inside walls of the tandoori oven. Man, this is a really satisfying process to watch. And yeah, then you set them on fire. And then they have this device, well, it's actually a stick and a net, kind of like a fishing net in a way, you know, like they're fishing for somsas inside of this tandoori oven. Alright, watching this made me extremely hungry, so I kind of want to taste these bad boys myself now. Alright, let's do it. Look at these beauties. Haha. Cannot believe I'll finally eat. It's unreal how good this looks. Okay, maybe I took too many. 5. They're pretty big. And this really nice sauce. I heard it's a bit spicy. Let's find out. Apparently has some dill inside as well. Love it. And the Pepsi. It's quite funny because the Pepsi costed like 25 cents. I mean, it's cheaper than supermarkets. 25 cents. I think one piece of Somsa is like 65 or 70 cents. So in total, I think I paid like $4 for the sauce, the 5 pieces of Somsa and the Pepsi. Okay, let's try. Alright, so you can see inside some meat, onion. Is that rice? I don't know. But meat and onion for sure inside this dough. And it's baked in this tandoori oven. Tastes really good. Let's try it a bit with the sauce as well. Okay, the sauce smells really good. I don't think it's spicy though. I'm gonna make a mess here. Kind of looks like Berlin, huh? Looks a bit like Berlin. And that terrace over there seems pretty cool. And some canoes. Very nice. Minor Mosque. Really nice. It's a good place for sunset, apparently. Next to a river, a lot of canoes. Okay, let's check the mosque. It's one of the newest mosques here in Tashkent. Minor Mosque was opened in 2014, so it's one of the newest mosques in Tashkent. It's designed to hold more than 2,400 people, so it's pretty big. Has a very beautiful Uzbek style facade and 2 38-meter tall minarets. Look how beautiful it is. I'm going to enjoy my time here for a while. Wow, look at this. This architecture. Look at these pillars. Oh, very nicely decorated. Basically carved in wood. I had an amazing time here at Minor Mosque. It's really something. So if you come to Tashkent, don't miss this place. And the samosas were really great and basically in the same area. So I would recommend you to go there as well. That was it for today's video. A new episode is going to be online very soon. So see you next time.